Welcome everyone. We're going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing. I just got my iPhone 12 Pro Max and I wanted to show you all how it looks. So let's go ahead and just jump right in and open this box up and show you exactly what we are going to have here. I'm excited. I've never had a Pro, so it's definitely going to be a lot larger. And opening up the box, we're presented with this. Pretty sweet. It's like stuck to it. So let me go ahead and use the blade to get that out of there. Man, the box is nice. Let's go ahead and throw the other stuff away. And we also have this that we've received, which is the clear mag case. So let's go ahead and get this open. I'm just throwing stuff all over the place. Here's a green tab. We'll pull that. There's the MagSafe case. For the Pro Max. Let's go ahead and open up this baby. So you just pull. Time for the magic. Here it is. Oh, wow. The box feels so smooth. Ah, it's so nice. It's big. Wow. Ooh, it's pretty heavy. Sorry for the dog barking. I don't have much time to record this, so we are just doing it real fast. That's what the sides look like. It is fancy. It's definitely heavy though. A lot heavier than I expected. All the cameras. Nice. So I just want to do a quick video. Let's go ahead and put the case on. Make sure it fits okay. See how secure it is. It snapped in there pretty decent. Case is definitely a little slippery. Already seeing some fingerprints, so not sure how that's gonna go. I did get the charger too. Charger is kind of like back ordered, so it'll probably be here in a few weeks. When it does, I'll do a review, let you know how that is. And yeah, it's a nice phone. I like it. As far as what else is in the box, they do have this little thing here designed by Apple in California, and it is a SIM card popper, so you could pop your SIM card out, and they do still give you a sticker. Single sticker. You used to get two, now you get one, and you get what looks like to be a USB-C cable to connect to your computer if you would need. So no regular charger this time. Box is a lot thinner as well. We'll go ahead and give it a try and see how we do. Just make sure it turns on for us. And it looks like it is. So this will be what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna go set this up. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this real quick video. And thank you so much for the view.